So let's start the discussion of question 5. In this question, we are given fx is equal to sec x, and we have to find the volume of the solid, which is obtained by rotating this graph of sec x enclosed between 0 minus pi by 2 to minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, and we are rotating it around. mm, we are rotating it around x axis. So if we go till x distance here, and if you see this point is actually in the y coordinate, it's taking sec x, its value is sec x. And if you concentrate on this point, if you are rotating it around this x axis, you will get a circle with radius sec x. And if you just pick this circle, this is the cross sectional area perpendicular to this x axis, then you will see that if you lay it flat on this surface, you will see this is a circle, and its radius is given by sec x. And so what will be the area of this? Pi and then sec square x, right? Pi r square. So now pi r square, this is the area. Now let's, what is the formula for volume? This volume formula is minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, and it is ex dx. So this formula I have taken from your notes. You can check your notes for this. And now you can put minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, and this cross sectional area is pi 6 square x dx. And you can see that differentiation of tan x is actually 6 square x. So you can use fundamental theorem to say that, fundamental theorem of calculus to say that this is equal to 6 square pi by 4 to 6 square x minus pi by 4. And so what is this? This is pi, sorry, what am I writing? This should be tan pi by 4 minus tan minus pi by 4. So tan pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, and then sorry, tan pi by 4 is 1, and then tan minus pi by 4 is minus 1. So this will come out to be 1 plus 1 2 pi. Okay, so we have got the area, sorry, volume. We have got the volume of this solid, which is equal to 2 pi. What is the second question, second part of this question? This is y is equal to 4 minus x square, y is equal to 2 minus x. Okay, let's write it. Y is equal to 4 minus x square, y is equal to 2 minus x. And rotation around x-axis. Okay, so here let's see, let's draw the graph of it first. So x square graph is something like this. So minus x square graph will be something like this, because this is just negative of x square. This is x square, this is minus x square. Now 4 minus x square graph will be, you take distance 4 unit up, all these points take 4 unit up. So let's say this is, so now we don't need this. Okay, so this will be the graph of 4 minus x square. Okay, and this reason, this level is 4, y is equal to 4. Okay, and where is the x is equal to 0 is this one, and now 2 minus x. Okay, so y is equal to x line is what, let's see, this is our y is equal to x line. So if you draw y is equal to minus x, this should be like this. That this is y is equal to minus x. Now you want to draw 2 minus x, so you add 2 to this graph. So this will, let's say this is 2 distance, so you will get something like this. Yeah, so my graph is not perfect, but you assume that it is a, sorry, is a straight line. Okay, okay, you assume this line is straight, and the thing is, yeah, so we can use, you can erase y is equal to x line, because we don't need its graph. Mm, to remind you, this line is y is equal to 2, because at x is equal to 0. Now this 2 minus x line, this 2 minus x line is actually at x is equal to 0, it will take 2 value, and so this is the graph of 2 minus x. And yeah, so now what about this crossing points here? These are actually 2 and minus 2. So how do I know this? Because if you write 4 minus x square is equal to 0, then you will get 4 minus 2 minus x and 2 plus x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 2. Yeah, so that's why they cross at minus 2 and 2. And how about this point, right? Because this is the reason we are interested Actually, I have drawn this graph little incorrectly. So this thing should pass by this. Okay. Why? Because see, this point is actually 2 comma 0. So this actually satisfies. You put x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 0. So this belongs to this straight line. So my graph is not drawn to scale. That's why you are saying such thing. But yeah, now this is good. Okay, so this thing, the green region, we are rotating it around x-axis. Okay, and we have to find the volume of the whatever that comes out to be. So the same thing, we are going to find, we are going to take x distance. Let's go x distance here, and then we will take a cross sectional area. If we rotate this, you will get this. And let's take another color. So this point, if you concentrate on this point will rotate like this. Okay, so let's take this thing, copy this and again paste it here, and we are going to enlarge this. So now, oh, yeah, now see this. So what I am saying is, this yellow one, this has radius, let's say small rx. Then this small rx is actually what? This is actually 2 minus x, because this point is lying in that line and we are at x, and that line x comma y. If this is y, then this is x comma y, then y satisfies, y is equal to 2 minus x. Okay, because that's how the line is. And now if you concentrate on this purple point, then this, let's say this is capital Rx, then this is equal to 4 minus x square by the same logic. Okay, so this thing is actually 4 minus x square. This point is actually x into 4 minus x square, and this one you already know is x comma 2 minus x. Okay, so you know the capital Rx and the small rx. So let's redraw it. this is what the view will be if you look from the x-axis. Okay. Where is the yellow? So this is small rx and this is capital Rx, and our captured our cross sectional area is this one that we are interested in. So this is a x is equal to pi of what, r square x minus small r square x, right? So this will be pi of what is small capital R, 4 minus x square minus small r is 2 minus x square, right? So now you can find the area by ax dx, and this integration is from this point is what, and this point is x is equal to 2, that's fine. What is this point? Okay, to find that we have to solve the equation, because y is equal to, let's say this point is x naught, then and the corresponding point this is y naught, x naught, y naught. Then since it's lying on both the graph, this will satisfy 4 minus x naught square, and y naught is also equal to 2 minus x naught. So 4 minus x naught square is equal to 2 minus x naught. So x naught square minus x naught minus 2 is equal to 0. So you can factorize this thing to get x naught plus 1, x naught minus 2. So x naught is equal to minus 1 or 2. 2 already we found out. So this is actually x is equal to minus 1, right? Okay. So we have got our integration limit, that is from minus 1 to 2, and minus 1 to 2 pi of, this calculation is ugly, plus x4 minus 8x square minus 4 minus x square minus 4x. Okay, 4 square plus is this correct, x4 minus 8x square minus 4 minus x square, this would be plus 4x. Now it looks correct to me, and you will get pi, this is 16 minus 4, this will be what, 12, plus x4 will be there, and this is minus 8x square, and then this is minus x square, this is minus 9x square, then plus 4x. Okay, dx 2 into, yeah. So I think this is it. Now you take pi outside, and you also know this will be 12x plus x5 by 5 minus x cube. This will be 3, then this will be 2 x square. Okay, then 2 minus 1. I believe you can do the calculation now. So do the calculation, you will get the result. So this finishes the question number, what is it, 5b.